everyone, how are you? I hope you're doing good. So if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel. Okay, so if you have already supported me, thank you so very much for supporting me, for liking my content, for subscribing. Thank you so very much. So in the description box I have my Instagram page. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow, and the text that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box. So today's picker card reading is, what is universe planning for you? What are the universe plans? Okay, so that is going to be the reading for today. So I have 3 cards over here and 3 crystals over here, so you can select from that. Okay, so close your eyes, relax, connect with yourself, let go of all the worries, and then select a crystal or a card that calls to you intuitively. Okay, remember these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind, guys, and the timestamps will be in the description box. Okay, so for group number 1 we have this card and the amethyst crystal. For group number 2 we have this selenite crystal, and for group number 3 it's aventurine crystal. Okay, so relax and then select a pile that calls to you, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna go with group number 1. Group number 1, if you choose this goddess of the moon and the amethyst crystal, your intuition is going to be on point, guys. So trust your intuition. Even if you feel like one day you wake up and you feel like, yeah, I don't want to go out today, just don't go out, because that is your intuition saying that to you. So universe is like giving you a lot of signs, a lot of messages through your intuition. So yeah, so trust it, guys. So if you feel, even if you feel like, you know, if you feel like something is off, that means it is off, because your intuition is on point. Like moon, you know, moon symbolizes intuition. So yeah, definitely use your manifestation. You know, if you know, write your manifestations at new moon, full moon, because that will be very beneficial. And I feel you are ascending. You're like your powers are becoming more powerful. You know, you're becoming more powerful. So if you have spiritual gifts, they are going to be more good. You will be feeling more connected. So yeah, that is what you will be more connected. You will be feeling more connected to your to the universe. You will be more connected. You will be seeing you will be getting a lot of clarity also. So universe is bringing a lot of answers also, I feel like. Okay, so yeah, let's see what is universe planning for you, guys. So let's see what is universe planning for you, guys. Assistance, again, look at that, we have intuition and then we got the assistance card. So definitely your universe is helping you to grow your spiritual gifts. So universe is helping you to, they are, you know, I feel they are giving you a lot of messages and they are telling you to just trust your gut feeling, and they are helping you. So whatever situation you are in right now, they are helping you, they are assisting you. Okay, you don't have to worry about anything, because you're very, very protected because of your intuition. So if you feel something off, that means it is off. That is your divine, the universe is giving you the answers, right? So yeah, you are so protected, guys. Oh my god. So that is what universe is planning. Universe is with you, they are with you, they are helping you, they are giving you the assistance, they are giving you the path, they are just showing you where you need to go. Just you need to make that decision and follow your heart, follow your gut feeling. Okay, so yeah, make decisions. Yeah, I feel you need to, if you want to make a decision, trust your intuition, trust your emotions. So whenever you see one thing, if you get an opportunity, how you feel about it? If you feel very, very good, that means it's a yes from the universe. And if you don't feel that good, if you feel like, oh no, even though that opportunity looks good, you know, but inside you don't feel that connection, that means it's not for you. So yeah, trust your gut feeling, trust your intuition. That is what I'm feeling, right? Again, and whenever you are if you want help, you will be provided with the help. Okay, you don't have to worry about anything. That is what universe is helping. Universe is for you, the universe has your back. That is what I'm getting, group number 1. Wow, that's beautiful. So what is universe planning for group number 1? What is universe planning for group number 1? Wow, look, high priestess. Yeah, I'm not, yeah, if you are in the spiritual career or something like that, you are going to do very, very good, because your intuition is on point. Yeah, 5 of wands. Okay, we have 2 of cups and 2. Look at the numbers. We have 2 2s, right? Again, the back of the deck, look at it. Queen of cups. So yeah, interesting, isn't it, right? So yeah, you have gone through, you have a lot of conflicts inside of you. You don't have to, right? Because when we are in this energy where we feel conflicted inside us, we don't listen to our intuition. So universe is saying to you, just listen to your intuition, just listen to your gut feeling. Every answer is within you. They are giving you the answers, they are giving you the signs, they are showing you the symbols. Maybe you're seeing frogs or peacock, maybe that is the way they connect to you. And with this high priestess, everything is inside of you. The wisdom is strong, you know, the intuition is strong. That is the way your universe helps you, through your intuition. You don't have to look out, you have to just get inside, meditate, ground your energy, look inside. Everything is within you. Don't have to fear, you don't have to stress too much about competition. Maybe you are in a field where there is a lot of competition. You don't have to worry about that. All you need to do is listen to your own heart, your own gut feeling. You will get the answers and you will make it big. So yeah, that is the answer to your question. If you are struggling right now, if you are feeling conflicted right now, universe is telling, we are giving you the answers, we are showing you the signs, we are showing you the symbols. Get out of this kind of energy, this 5 of Wands energy. Yeah, I feel like for some of you, you are in a field where there is a lot of competition, and you like, oh, I will not be able to make it, what will I do? And so all you need to do is like listen to your heart, and when you listen to your heart, things will be balanced for you guys. Okay, for some of you, I even feel like that if you're dating, if you're single, if you get a lot of opportunities, if new people are coming towards you, you need to trust your gut feeling on that also, because because not everyone will be beneficial for you guys with this 2 of Cups energy. Look at this. This person is giving the crown, but she is not so interested in this person, right? Maybe you need to make decision. Whenever in love, I feel like that you need to trust your heart more. Maybe this person will look very beautiful from outside, but we don't know how their behavior is. For that, you need to trust your gut feeling. So yeah, that is very important. That is what universe is telling. You know, you have everything, because universe is giving you the messages, the signs, that your intuition is so strong. All you need to do is to listen to it. And for listening, we have to be quiet. And this 5 of Wands energy will not work when we stress a lot, when we look at other people, when we compare ourselves with other people, when we gossip, when we put too much focus on materialistic things, we don't listen. So it's important you get out of your head from that ego, is from that all things, and just listen to your gut feeling, listen to your intuition, meditate, ask your spirit guides, angels. Your answers will be provided, because this pile is like highly intuitive. What I have to say, we have assistants, we have high priestess, we have goddess of the moon, right? This is the intuitive card. Like everything you know is correct, right? What your heart is saying is correct, is on point. Just trust it. So let's see what else is universe planning for you. So universe is just giving you the guidance through your intuition. All you need to do is trust and make that decision, and everything will be good for you guys. You don't have to worry too much about that. Wow, yeah. Okay, so with this thief card, I'm getting that universe is letting you know that there is someone who might just waste your time. Okay, with this 2 of Pentacles, 2 of Cups energy. So you might feel like this person is like a soulmate energy, or maybe a friend is taking your time, wasting your time. Like they don't mean what they say. So that at that scenario, you need to trust your gut feeling, because there is someone around you who is not faithful to you guys. So that is why what spirit is saying, you need to trust your gut feeling. So universe is helping you in this universe is planning to take that person out of your life, right? So that you can move ahead. Maybe this person is taking your time out. They are just giving you that negative vibe, right? You need to let it go, let this person go. Trust your intuition. I know you know who this person is, but at the same time you feel like that this person is good, maybe I'm overthinking. No, you're not overthinking, right? So yeah, so let's see what else is universe planning for you. Look, So yeah, maybe sometimes in life, we need to let certain people go so you can have a good relationship, right? So yeah, that is what I feel like universe is trying to do. So universe is letting you know who you need to trust, who you don't need to trust, so you can build a good relationship with this person. So there is a person right now in your life who is taking your time, who is wasting your time, and you're giving your time to that person, but you know intuitively that this person is not correct for you guys, but you feel like that it is just your overthinking. No, that is what spirit is saying, that is what universe is saying. You need to let this person go, because that is just a waste of time. Or maybe this person is giving you a lot of negative energies, because when you let go of this person, that is when you will meet the person, right? So yeah, for some of you, I even feel like that you will meet your twin flames soon, but twin flame or soulmate soon, but you need to release this fake soulmate of yours. That is what I'm getting here. You need to know that, you need to trust your intuition. And for some of you, I feel like you will be celebrating something very soon. So if you have been working on something, if you have been working on your career, just trust your gut feeling and go with the plans, because that will give you a lot of stability, security. Your finances will be good, okay? You'll be celebrating soon about it, okay? For some of you, definitely you will let go of this person and you will be feeling so good, and you'll be celebrating that. So yeah, yeah, you for some of you, definitely when this person will leave, you will meet the right people, because right now you're not able to see that good people in your life, right people in your life, because you're with this person. You need to let go of this person, and I feel like this person is just wasting your time. You need to let it go, and that is what universe is doing. They're giving you signs, they're giving you signal, they're giving you messages, and all you need to do is trust. But yeah, definitely your stability, your finances, I see an increase in your finances, your stability, that universe is helping you with that, with your career, with your home life. For some of you, it can be a partner, love partner, that is like a fake soulmate, I feel like that. And for others, I feel there is a fake friend who is just wasting your time. So you need to let that person go. Or maybe because of this person, you have a lot of conflicts. So yeah, let's see. Yeah, it's a new start, full energy. You don't have to carry the baggages of this past. You have to let this person go and just enjoy life, right? You're meant to enjoy life. You need to trust your intuition. You need to just let go of your past, let go of this person. You don't have to carry too much of baggage. And like the Fool, universe is planning to give you a free time where you will be relaxing, where you will be traveling, where you will be enjoying, where you will be celebrating. That is what the universe is planning for you guys. Look at the colors. You have so much of bright colors, bright energy. So right now, yes, trust your gut feeling, trust your intuition. You know who this person is. This person is definitely wasting your time. This person is completely wasting your time, and you know it. Your gut feeling is telling you. They have warned you a lot of times, but you are like, logically, if you think this person is good, you're not, so because you don't have any proof, right? Sometimes we don't have proofs, and because of that you're thinking, oh no, I'm just making it up. No, you're not making it up. And this message is like, if you are been in this situation right now, maybe this is a message to confirm that. And universe is planning good ahead times where you'll be celebrating your life. You will be free, you will be traveling. You will not be carrying a lot of tension. You will be very stress free. Look, with this 5 of Wands to full energy, you will be very stress free, you will be very calm, you will be very peaceful. That is what universe is planning for you guys, like peace, stability, security, okay, and good people in your life. So if you're in a career that is taking away your time, it's time to let go of that career, okay, because in the future you will get something that that will make you happy. And the people you will be working with will be like family also for some of you. And for some of you, I feel like it's important that you might do something from your home. Maybe you will be doing yeah, maybe this is like your future will be, you'll be working from your home and you will be enjoying your work, and you don't have to be so stressed about work. You will be like very light and enjoying your work. That is what I see for you guys. Okay, definitely there is a new start for you guys. That is universe is planning, okay. Yeah, universe is planning this new start where you will be so free, but at the same time you will be very secure. You will be secure in your energies. You will be secure with the people you meet. you know, there will be a sense of security. And you know, you have the ultimate gift of intuition. Wow, you're so lucky, I feel like that. So yeah, that's it, group number 1. So bye, take care. Group number 2, if you chose this selenite, let's see what is universe planning for you guys. If you have chosen this angel of love, let's see what is universe planning for you guys. So for group number 2, what is universe planning for you? Oh, we got this. This is the, I just okay, because this is group 1's card, I just put it back and we received that card for group number 2 also. Let's take this also. Okay, wow, what you got? You got a very good card, I guess. Wow, cornucopia. Universe is making all your wishes come true. So I feel when you wish, when you will be near your wish, you will feel it intuitively. Okay, so trust your heart, guys, because if you have been planting seeds, yes, it's time for harvest. So with this cornucopia card, universe is planning to give all your wishes. Okay, so if you have been feeling it, if you know, when you will receive this wish of yours, you will feel it intuitively. That is what I feel like. Okay, and there is so much love coming your way. So if you have been working on something, yes, if you have been manifesting something, if you have been praying for something, if you have been desiring something, that is going to be coming true. Wow, that's nice. Pile number 2. So yeah, a wish fulfillment, lot of ray of hope, lot of light. You're going to be very happy, you will be feeling very fulfilled, you will be feeling very loved. Okay, and yes, your intuition is also going to be strong. For some of you, you have been like trying to build up your intuition, maybe that is your wish, and that is also happening. For some of you, maybe you are wishing to strengthen your psychic abilities or something like that. Maybe that will also come true. But definitely look at the fruits, lot of your hard work is paying off. Yeah, your wish is full. You're gonna fulfill your wish. Yes, things are shifting for you guys. Yeah, there is a shifting of energy. So if maybe for some of you, you are not feeling that energetic right now, but yeah, your energies are shifting. Your vibration is getting higher. Maybe yeah, you're full of love, you're radiating love, and because of that, your wishes are gonna be coming true. Right, things are shifting for you guys. For some of you, you might be literally shifting your place. Maybe that is what you want to shift, you want to relocate. So yeah, that is happening for you guys. Okay, so maybe for some of you, yeah, maybe one of you wanted to strengthen your spiritual gifts or something. So yeah, your energy is shifting, you're becoming more connected to the universe, and when we become more connected to the universe, our manifestations come fast, right? That is what I feel for you guys. You are mastering your manifestation skill or something like that. Your energies are definitely shifting. For some of you, you are moving to a place where you love. That is also I'm getting. That is what universe is planning for you guys. So yeah, you have been, maybe you wanted to shift homes for so long. Maybe you wanted to relocate to a new to a place that you wanted to. Maybe you wanted to shift to a place where there is a lot of trees or something like that. Maybe that is also coming true for some of you. Okay, let's see what else is universe planning for you guys. Wow, Empress energy again, cornucopia and Empress energy. Look at the jewels, look at the fruits. Yes, for some of you, definitely. Group 2, my camera got cut, and I was talking about this Empress, I think, and yeah, so I'm so sorry. Okay, so yeah, with this Empress, I feel things are looking good for you guys. Yeah, universe is giving you a lot of happiness. I feel like that. A lot of happiness is coming your way. A lot of like people around you. You're going to be very kind, compassionate. You know, you're going to attract these kind of people who are going to be very kind to you, compassionate to you. That kind of people you're going to vibe with. A lot of love energy. A lot of love. Let's see what else. Yeah, 5. Yeah, you are moving away from these kind of energy, this conflicts, where you maybe competition. where there will people, you know, maybe you had a friend group where people were competing with each other. You're leaving that friend group and you're meeting new people who will love you for you. They're not going to compete with you. They're not going to be in this ego jealousy things, you know. You're moving towards a very good phase of your life. That is what universe wants you to know right now. Yeah, things are shifting for you guys. For some of you, I even feel if you're going through some depression or something, you're moving away from that. Okay, you're moving away from conflicts. You're moving away from tension. You're moving away from drama queen peoples or drama who likes to create drama. You're moving away from them. What should I say, guys? 9, wish fulfillment. Definitely we have cornucopia, we have wish fulfillment. So definitely your wishes are going to come true. For some of you, it can be a wish about getting married or something. Yes, you will, your wish is going to come true. Universe universe will give you that person at the correct time, and this person is very kind, compassionate, and this person will fill your life with love, hope. That is what I feel like. Things are shifting for you guys. And for some of you, maybe it's you want a child. That wish of yours is coming true. Yeah. Oh my God, look, for some of you, I told you about shifting. Things are shifting very quickly, maybe relocating, maybe traveling. And for some of you, this energies are coming fast. This wish of yours is coming fast. Yeah. Your angels are with you. Your angels are, yeah, something is coming very quickly. For some of you, you are going to shift, you might make a career change or something like that. Maybe you will get a job that you always wanted to. For some of you, you are going to connect with your life purpose. You're going to do something that you always wanted to. Things are going to change very, very quickly for you guys. So I feel for group number 2, you're going to be like, this file is so good. Your wishes are coming true. Things are shifting for you guys. Things are changing for you guys. You're getting out of this conflicted energy, this stressful energy. For some of you, will meet a person who will love you a lot, who will give everything, like very kind. They will take care of your family, you very nicely. That kind of energy. For some of you, are becoming mothers. You're having a new journey, like you're taking, a new. You are going to enjoy your mother phase, or for some of you, you'll enjoy your father phase. For some of you, it's like you're becoming grandparents or something like that. For some of you, you are relocating somewhere that you always wanted to relocate, and you're gonna attract lot of people, like-minded people who you want to connect, and you're moving away from the people who are not good for you. That is what I feel like. Okay, that's all for group number 2. Bye bye, take care. Group number 3, if you choose this green aventurine crystal, so let's see what is universe planning for you guys. What are the messages from the universe? So with this 48 number, angel of balance. Okay, your manifestations, if you have been doing some manifestations, if you have been writing, scripting at new moon, I feel something is manifesting when what you manifested at the new moon energy. That is the message I received. I feel like that. Okay, and with this angel of balance, a lot of balance is coming your way. If you have been feeling emotionally very imbalanced, you're going to be very balanced. Okay, so yeah, there is a lot of balance coming your way. So let's see what else messages from the universe. And for some of you, maybe you have been working hard, but you are not receiving that much, so there is going to be a balance in that. Okay, so maybe in relationships you have been putting a lot of effort, you have been giving too much, but you haven't been receiving, so I feel you will be receiving that much. That kind of connections are coming your way, where you will give and you will receive it back. So that is what, a lot of balance. For some of you, your divine masculine energy and feminine energies are going to be very balanced. So yeah, a lot of balance. Things are going to balance. If you have 2 jobs, you will be easily balancing that, or maybe you will be making a choice to do one or something like that, but definitely there is a lot of balance here. What is universe planning for you guys? Sexuality. Okay, wow. Yeah, you are accepting yourself the way you are, and because of that there is a lot of balance. With the sexuality card, I'm also getting you will be in very much of passion. Your passion is going to come back. If you have been feeling very low, your passion is going to come back. If you have been feeling very creatively blocked, you're going to be recharged. For some of you, yeah, if your sex life was very dull, so there will be passion there also. So yeah, everything is going to be balanced. Yeah, if you have been lacking something in your life lately, that lack thing is gonna go. So if you have been thinking about, if you have been lacking, like sometimes we lack, we have certain things in our life. Maybe for some of you, your money is good, but at the same time your relationship is not going good. Maybe for some of you, your relationship is good, your money is not so good, and because of that you had this lack mentality. But what I feel like, there is a balance there. Okay, so if you have been lacking something in your life, you will get that passion again. That area of your life is going to be good. Okay, that is what I feel like. So if you have been lacking, like your passion is not good, your creativity, you feel like that your creativity is not good. Maybe you're in creative field and you're lately feeling that you're not able to make things the way you used to make, or maybe your relationship lack passion. That is what is coming back. There is going to be a lot of passion. And look at the green color. I'm getting very attracted to the green color. We have aventurine crystal also. So yeah, it's like healing energy, a lot of healing. For some of you, yeah, you're healing that area of your life. You're healing your lack mentality. Okay, so let's see what else. Yeah, again, I was talking about balance. We have Six of Pentacles. Again, it's about balance, giving and receiving. The love you give, you receive the love back, right? If you put effort in your career, you will receive it back. For some of you, yeah, financially, if you have been lacking, you're going to receive some money. Okay, universe is planning you to give some money. So yeah, there is a equal amount of like, if you're giving something energetically, you will receive it back. So yeah, that is what is coming for you guys. Yeah, so in case if you're loving someone, if you're giving your time to someone, you will receive that time back. This person will give you that time. Okay, maybe sometimes we feel like that we are giving too much, but we are not receiving that much. But that is what is balancing for you guys. So if you're working for like 2 hours, 3 hours, you will receive that much for 2 or 3 hours, right? If you're working like if you're in a career, you're putting like 10 hours of work, you will receive that back. Sometimes we don't receive that much, right? So yeah, that is going to be very equal things. In your relationship, there is equality coming. Yeah. A lot of love also I feel for you guys. Yeah, a lot of, yeah, again, if you have been I feel for some of you have been lacking your passion. You were not, you didn't have the energy to move forward. You were not getting that creative ideas. And we have Knight of Wands energy. Knight of Wands energy is someone who is very passionate about their goals. They want to go, they want to move forward, right? And we have a Deer also. Deer is all about love. You're nurturing yourself, you're taking care of yourself, and you're moving forward with your goals. And Knight of Wands energy, your sexual energy. Maybe you were feeling very dull, you were not feeling very you were not feeling like you used to feel. Maybe you were not feeling that, you were not feeling attractive about yourself, you were feeling low about that also. That is all is coming back. Okay, so yeah, so if you put the effort, you will receive it back. That is what this universe is telling you. If you work on your creative gifts, if you work on your talents, you will receive it back. Okay, so yeah, I feel for many of you, you have been giving, and that is taking a lot of energy from you. You're not receiving that much back, and because of that, you're like feeling very dull, but universe is giving you back. Yeah, so that is what is coming. So a lot of passion, a lot of energy is coming your way. That is what let's see what else the universe is planning for you guys. Oh wow, yeah, again money wise increase. So for some of you, definitely you have been lacking some money. You have been wanting to create some money for you guys. Maybe you are working on your finances. on your career and you feel like that you lack money, but there is money coming for you guys, because we have the Six of Pentacles energy and an unexpected income. So definitely there is money coming for you guys. So yeah, maybe you are in this creative field or something like that, and maybe you're not, maybe you're YouTubers or like social media, maybe there you work, and maybe you have been putting the effort and you're not receiving it back, you're not getting the money you deserve, and that is what is coming for you guys. Okay, equal things, balance is coming. So definitely that is what we were talking about, isn't it? And Aventurine is also about good luck, prosperity. So yeah, increase in wealth, increase in money, increase in passion, increase in your sexual energy, a lot of balance. Your energies are going to be balanced, because I feel like things were not coming to you because your energies were imbalanced, but right now I feel like you are trusting universe, you are trusting divine, and because of that your energies are going to be very, very balanced, and that's why you will see the change. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, we got 2 cards. Interesting. Okay, do I have to talk about it anymore? Knight of Wands. For some of you there is a person, okay, for this I'm also getting, for some of you there is a person who is coming your way. This can be a fire sign. Okay, so maybe for some of you you're very single, and right now you're very single and you're very ready to mingle. Okay, maybe that is what, maybe you will meet this person through online, through online sites, something like that, dating sites or something. You will meet this person and there will be like a yeah, a lot of passion. That is what I feel like, that is what universe is feeling like, giving you. I'm getting that vibe here with this Page of Swords and Knight of Wands. You will meet this person through online. Maybe this person has been messaging you, and yeah, and because of this person you will have that passion again. You know, for some of you, definitely if you have something, if you do something online, definitely things are moving forward. If you have been feeling like low, if you have been feeling like things are not going forward, things are like very slow moving, there is momentum coming, there is movement coming here. For some of you, you might have you might go travel somewhere, but definitely there is this connections, like very passionate connection with a fire sign. Okay. Okay, so that is what I feel like. Okay, so yeah, that is, maybe for some of you, you will be making money from different sources, like through online you will be having different sources where you will be making money. That is also coming for you guys. So yeah, that is like raising money. The effort you're putting, you're going to receive it back. If you're feeling dull, if your passion is dull, you're getting energy, you're getting the energy back. Okay, so yeah, that is what is coming for you guys. That is what universe is planning for group number 3. Bye bye, take care.